portobello mushroom and avocado burgers. Prepare the ingredients. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Remove the leaves from one rosemary sprig. Remove the leaves from one thyme sprig and chop finely. Add the chopped herbs to the lemon juice. Finely chop one garlic clove and add the chopped garlic to the lemon juice and the herbs. Add a pinch of salt, add a pinch of pepper. Rub the mushrooms in the marinade. Remove the flesh from the avocado. Finally chop one garlic clove. Add the garlic to the avocado. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Roughly chop one tomato. Add to the avocado. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and mash the avocado. Finally chop one handful of parsley and add to the avocado and mash into a chunky salsa. Finally slice one cucumber. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add a portobello mushroom and cook for 5 minutes on each side. After a couple of minutes, add a little water and cook for a further 2 minutes. After about 5 minutes, turn the mushroom over, splash over some more water and cook for 5 minutes. And spoon over some water from time to time, turning the mushroom every couple of minutes. Cook until the mushroom is soft. After cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes, turn off the heat. To assemble the burger, slice wholemeal sourdough bun in half, top with the mashed avocado, top with some cucumber, top with some lettuce leaves, add the portobello mushroom, and top with the lid and serve.